Hi, so I got my Subaru Forester here, and I'm going to show you how to engage and disengage the parking brakes. So right on my dash here, you see that the parking brake is not engaged. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to put my foot on the brake pedal, depress it, and the way I remember it is, simulating a handbrake. So when I want to engage the handbrake, I actually pull up. So with this electronic handbrake button here, I am going to lift up with my finger and then release. So once the light goes on, I am going to release. And when I do that, there will actually be a sensation on the brake pedal that shows you that the brake is actually engaged. So the electronic brake here is actually engaged. So to disengage, similarly, I am going to put my foot right on the brake pedal, and I am going to do the opposite. I am going to simulate, putting down the handbrake. So that's the way I remember it, by simulating pulling up and pushing down on the handbrake. So to disengage, what I want to do is push down on the button. So when I push down on the button, the light comes off, and I will also feel a sensation right on the brake pedal. And you could see right now, the parking electronic brake is off. So that's really it. That is how you engage and disengage the electronic or parking brake here. And that's really it. I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.